Hey friends, if you wish to change the font size in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings from the menu. Go to the appearance tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the font size section. Okay, I will show you. And then you can change the font size. We don't have a lot of options, but we can change it to very small, small, medium, large. Okay, and then you can also click on customize fonts, and then you can what do we say, change it with more precision. You can also change the type of font. You can change it to, let's say, some other type of font, or you can suggest Arial for this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.